Yo, what's up? We're in Seminyak, just next to the Bintang supermarket, and we will show you around today. Yes, honey?
Yeah, so I just finished working today and Damian just picking up me from work, and then I just go shopping a little bit in the Bintang supermarket, and Damian will show you around.
Alright, so Winnie is going shopping a little bit. And this is the old building of Bintang supermarket. We got quite many requests to show you the area over here. So the new Bintang supermarket will be over here in the old place, but the new construction, completely new building, still under construction. Seems like it's little bit slow down construction, probably during the current situation. It seems like it's actually stopped at the moment, maybe because it's already 5:30 p.m. and workers go home. However, it's like it's not going like super fast, but it's probably they have a limited budget. And yeah, that's how it looks, the street around the area. Yeah, open temporary store in our parking area. This is where's the Winnie where's the Winnie go? Somebody waves to, doesn't realize. Anyway, I will show you the area. How does it look? There is the bookstore, just to show you the perspective of the current situation. Many shops over here. Well, seems to be closed. New Bintang supermarket one day, probably when everything back to normal and most of you guys gonna come to Bali, the shop will be ready. We did this video because we got so many requests to show you. Yeah, that's how it looks, the situation over here. This is small parking and the Bintang supermarket entrance too is here. So basically the temporary shop is here and this is the entrance. Still people shopping, small parking area for the motorbikes. That's basically where Seminyak people who love shopping in Bintang supermarket, they shopping right now. And I think Winnie is inside.
Okay, so we just arrived in Legian 66 beach. I know that last time we already was in 66, but now
It's Legian side.
It's Legian side. Okay, so we will go buy bakso.
For your dinner, honey, and for myself also.
This is how our life, like my life or Damian's life, like after working. So after stress from working, it's good to go to the beach to just for chill out.
Yes, honey. How was your work, by the way, honey?
Stressful.
Oh, that's how it is. Middle of the week, so it's not so busy. Some live music, some kids playing around, as always. Yo, what's up, my friend? How are you today?
How are you?
Check this out, the kids. Where we are going, honey? I hope so. I'm not gonna get a copyright strike for this Indonesian cover. Last week I got at least 5 times. Can you imagine that? So difficult life of the... But this one should be fine. Not so bad. Ladies who last time was here. Also not so bad. Crack. We will see. We will see. Yo, what's up, brother? Honey, how was your approachers, honey? You manage it well, like a pro.
I just said, wait, just let me chill first.
Here is some photo session with the dress. Not so bad. Not so bad. Yeah, so basically that's how it looks, the peaceful life in the Legian 66. That's how it is. Last time I was there, where is this building? And there actually is Seminyak, but we are walking on the Legian side. That's a little bit of the formality, but yeah, that's how it is. Anyway, the beach is the same. I mean, this is very long beach. And the sunset looks beautiful. The waves. 5K for one, but if I win, okay? Let's play rock, paper, scissors, shoot 3 times, okay? Yeah, 3 times. Okay, one more time.
So you're just gonna, play with the kids? Oh my goodness.
Hey, you lost! One more time. Final stage, okay? I know. Anyway, I will give you 5K for the t-shirt, okay?
Oh my God, you are very smart boy. Are you school? Sekolah nggak? Kenapa nggak sekolah? Nggak punya uang? Why?
No school, that's it.
So beautiful kid, and he just ran away.
Just run away.
So nice.
But I won actually. Yo, what's up, Bob Marley? Here we go. Check this out, his beautiful dreads. Yeah, we can sit here, not so bad at all. Here we go, this is some life. Really like the Legion Seminyak vibes. Here we go, not so bad. And that's how it looks live over here. Honey, we're gonna have a bakso, yeah? Oh, Bob Marley brings me cola. How are you, my friend? All good?
Good.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Here we go. All right. So eventually we moved because the guy Bob Marley said as we bought cola, so we gonna get a free bag. So if we are moved to the back, so we moved. I don't know if it's true or not. Probably no. Some kind of marketing deal. This is the peanut guy, by the way. Yeah. Well, what we wanted to say? What you wanted to say, honey? Oh, something about this nowadays. We're getting sometimes comments suggesting us as Legion today, Changu today, Sanur today, or Sanur is boring as I don't wanna say exactly what, but some people know. That's how it is. What I can say.
Right? We live in Bali, so
Thank you so much, my friend.
yeah. So this is how it is. You know?
What 35? I said free. Now it's 35. So eventually we moved to having free bucks and we saved 5,000 rupiah on the transaction. Oh, this is the Legion vibe. You never have to trust anyone what they say. So yeah, I wanted to say something, but always getting disturbed. That's cool vibes of the Legion. Hello, how are you today? Do you wanna have a bakso? I can share you with me my bakso. I didn't touch it yet. Koroila. You want? No? Are you hungry?
No anger.
Do you wanna have cola maybe? Unfortunately, we are trying to share food with the other people, but seems like no interest. Honey, how is your bakso, by the way?
I don't know. I'm just hungry.
So that's our bakso. I just wanted to say just another day in Bali. I'm so sorry as we do every day the same repeat, but it's always this good crack here as you see. We got approached by many people again.
Always talking to Ibu. Ibu, how long you selling the bracelet, Ibu?
20.
20 years. Oh, 20 years?
I
20 years.
I
So yeah.
Alright, so Honey bought something what is called hanger for masker and the hair tie or something like this, color matched.
I don't know what is it called, scratchy or something. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know, but it's just for the little help for the ladies. We offer them food bakso, but they said as the money is more important, which is okay. I really understand.
So I bought this one for 20k and this one for 20k.
Yeah.
We talk a lot to Ibu and
We actually doesn't record, but we talk with them like for 20 minutes.
We talk a lot and then we just realized that we didn't record our talk. So yeah, they said that Ibu, if long time like this, I don't know how they will.
Yeah, that's true. So you have to, you know, that's how it is. It's the tough times. That's how it looks, the sky and the general vibe over here at that time. Our bakso is finished. Was very nice. Yeah, what should I say? I don't know. That's how it looks, the vibe. Yeah.
So these two bakso cost you 35k.
Supposed to be free, but I don't know. Something went wrong.
So yeah. Alright, I think that's all our video today, guys, from Seminyak and beautiful and nice band behind us.
Always good vibes in Legion. This is actually Legion still. Legion Seminyak. the same area.
Okay, thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. See ya. Take care. What's up? Okay, so I got some wee problem with my lovely Jimny. Why it's so bright? I don't know. But this boy gonna fix it. Oh, check this out. So basically we got some problem with the, I don't know, maybe dirty fuel or some filters or something like this. By the way, if you are interested how it looks, Katana Jimny from 90s, 80s, that's how it looks inside the engine. A few interesting facts. Okay, my friend, I hope so all will be good, yeah?